Hello, it's Marcus here from Newbie Nutrition. Today I'm going to be talking about eating elephants, aka dealing with big problems. Now this is an old proverb, so you probably know where this is heading, but the only way to eat an elephant is to start by taking the first bite. You take the first bite, you take the second bite, you take the third bite, etc. and so on, till eventually you eat that elephant. You deal with that big problem by breaking it down into small, manageable chunks. Now, it would also help if you had some friends helping you. The more people that helped you and that had the same mission, the quicker that task would get done, and the more likely it would be that that task would get completed. So you could start with different body parts, you could systematically work into the middle until eventually between you ate that elephant, you dealt with that big problem. So this applies to other problems as well. If we take something like climate change, for example, this is often seen as a massive global issue, which of course it is. It obviously requires cooperation between nations and policymakers in order to make a global difference, rather than, say, for example, nations breaking away from their continents or saying that my country comes first, which has become quite popular. But this is not a political discussion, so we'll leave that there. What my point is that while global problems require global solutions, there is still something that we can do as individuals. For example, we could cut down the amount that we travel by car or by plane or by public transport that emits massive amounts of greenhouse gases. We could walk places. We could also look at our diet. We could reduce our meat consumption. Diet, by the way, is a fairly small part of the overall problem. Food accounts for about 25% of overall greenhouse gas emissions. The other 75% is energy used for transport, for industrial processes, for electricity production, stuff like that. But food is obviously the one that I'm most interested in as a nutritionist, and there are things that we can do. Like I said, we can reduce our meat consumption, or if we didn't want to go vegan, which by the way is not essential for everyone or not sustainable for everyone, we could choose meats that have less impact on the environment. So there are still things that we can do. Likewise, if you have a big amount of weight to lose, let's say you have 30 kilograms to lose, the way that you deal with that problem is that you start with losing the first kilogram. You focus all your energy on that first kilogram, and then the actions that it required to lose that first kilogram are the same actions that will help you to lose the second, third, fourth, the 30th kilogram when you take those actions over a consistent period of time. So that's how we deal with those big problems. The Healthy Planet Project helps people with some of those problems. So it's all about achieving your weight loss or muscle gain or health goals in an environmentally sustainable way. So we're dealing with both of those big problems, and the way that we do that is we implement the correct actions consistently over a period of time. If you want to try that for free, we have a free 14-day challenge which is available via the link that will be below this video. So click that link and try the Healthy Planet Project for free for 14 days. Also, click the like button, click the share button, click the subscribe button, do the thing on YouTube that I'm very inexperienced at, but do all of those things and I'll speak to you soon.